Brothers, every day we see behaviors that undermine respect. People talking down to others, dismissing opinions, or showing blatant indifference. These actions don't just erode the respect we have for others, they also chip away at the respect we earn from those around us. In a world where respect is often demanded but seldom earned, understanding how to truly gain respect can set you apart. Respect is a fundamental aspect of human interaction. It shapes relationships, careers, and our self-worth. Yet, many of us struggle to grasp how to earn genuine respect from others. Today, we will discuss 5 powerful ways to gain respect. These methods are not about demanding respect, but about embodying behaviors that naturally attract. Let's begin. 1. Force respect by being undeniably good and dominant. The first way to gain respect is to be undeniably good at what you do. Excellence and dominance in your field naturally command respect. When you consistently perform at a high level, people can't help but respect your abilities and achievements. Whether it's at work, in sports, or any other area of life, being the best you can be sets you apart and makes others take notice. They see your dedication, your skill, and your results, and they can't help but respect you for it. 2. Avoid apologizing just to avoid conflict. The second way is to avoid apologizing just to dodge conflict. This doesn't mean being stubborn or arrogant, but rather being confident and honest in your beliefs. When you stand by your principles and communicate them respectfully, others will admire your integrity. Apologizing unnecessarily can make you seem unsure of yourself and weak. Instead, be confident in your stance and only apologize when you truly believe you are wrong. This shows strength of character and earns you respect. 3. Take up space. The third way is to take up space, both physically and psychologically. Don't shrink yourself to make others comfortable. Show strength and self-assurance by owning your space and presence. This demonstrates that you value yourself, which encourages others to do the same. Taking up space means standing tall, speaking clearly, and asserting your presence. It's about showing the world that you are here and you matter. When you carry yourself with confidence, others are more likely to respect you. 4. Show empathy and understanding. The fourth way is to show empathy and understanding. When you genuinely listen to others and acknowledge their feelings and perspectives, you demonstrate respect and build stronger connections. People respect those who respect them. This means taking the time to understand where others are coming from, validating their feelings, and responding with kindness and consideration. Empathy creates an environment of mutual respect and trust, which is essential for gaining and maintaining respect. 5. Boundaries and enforce them. Self-respect is the foundation of gaining respect from others. Establishing and maintaining clear boundaries shows that you respect yourself and expect others to do the same. This involves knowing your limits, communicating them clearly, and not being afraid to say no when necessary. By standing firm on your boundaries, you teach others how to treat you, and they will respect you more for it. Respect isn't something that can be demanded, brothers. It must be earned through consistent actions and behaviors. By being excellent in your field, standing by your principles, taking up space, showing empathy and understanding, and setting clear boundaries, you can naturally attract the respect you deserve. Remember, brothers, respect starts with you. Embrace these 5 principles and watch how your interactions and relationships transform. Congratulations for joining our family by hitting that subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, do like and share. See you next time.